Oh yeah. This is something you never felt before. Oh, that Saturday vibe. Ladies and gentlemen, I wanna welcome y'all to TSoul Live. The hottest in the streets, the best on the beats. You know. Oh, you know. Billy.
If you came to party, if you came to party, if you came to get down tonight, get down tonight, going live tonight, live from the TSoul studio. Trying to party and celebrate life. Tune in the TSoul studio tonight. It's live at 8 with the hottest in the state. So tell a friend you wanna take them out of space so they can unplug to a new level with different artists who take it to a new level. And you never know what you're gonna get. You might get rock or you might get rap. You might get R&B with the boom bap. You might get a band or you might wanna dance bachata. I just know every week's gonna be a shocker. And it's a party for the world, for little boys, little girls, for everybody. If you came to party, if you came to party, if you came to get down tonight.
We going up, shorty, we going in. Shorty hit tryna cut. I told shorty bring a friend. Shorty, you tryna win, or shorty, you tryna play. If shorty bout the bag, she do whatever I say. Shorty, we going up. Shorty, we going up. Shorty, we going up. Shorty, we going in. Shorty, get to the bag. I promise we gon' win. Shorty, we going up. Shorty, we going up. Shorty, we going up. Shorty, we going in. Shorty, get to the bag. I promise we gon' win. Shorty, we go.
If you tryna party and celebrate life, tune in the TSoul studio tonight. It's live at 8 with the hottest in the state. So tell a friend you wanna take them out of space so they
live
can
from
unplug
TSoul
to a
studio.
new level.
This is the pre-show. Tonight it's season 3 premiere. Begins at 8 o'clock Eastern time. I'm the executive producer, Jason Valentin.
And I am, of course, your hostess with the mostest, Nequasia.
We got to talk about what we have in store tonight.
I know.
Because tonight's going to be
dope.
Yes, it's going to be dope.
Are you
we
ready?
have TSoul in the building.
That's my music husband.
Oh my God. As seen on NBC's The Voice, I'm sure everyone has seen the show. And he was coached by
Blake Shelton.
Yes,
That's
made
my
it to
guy.
the finals.
That's my guy.
You know what? Tonight he's performing songs Best of Me, Unlock Your Heart.
Best of Me is my song now.
Is it?
Yes.
Because you love it.
I love it. Ooh, that's my song. Ladies, you can't have him until after he sings Best of Me.
Exactly.
But then he's also singing Unlock Your Heart, and
my favorite song, Speechless.
Speechless.
Yes.
We're in for a treat tonight. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready. But you know what? Guess what? We are on UBC TV Network on the Glue TV app.
Yes, we are. The Glue TV app, UBC TV Network, live from TSoul studio.
How exciting is that?
That's so exciting. It's been a journey. You know, we started back in September 2020. We started the very first season. We had artists. We had Seda. We had Kanye No Luck. We had Michelle Sings. It was like a whole night, you know, working with different artists. It was the very start. It was a little rough, but we made it happen.
But that's how mostly everybody gets started.
Yes.
And then we're in the good part.
Yes.
Now you're in the not smooth sailing now. Not smooth sailing, but you're doing it. You're doing it.
We making it happen, you
Yes.
know.
And on the Glue TV app,
Yes.
you guys have what? The first 5 episodes that's up
Yes.
now, featuring artists such as
Sly Spitter.
Sly Spitter.
Sly Spitter. You remember Sly Spitter?
got the
The
he's a
NC,
rapper.
yes.
He's a rapper.
Dope rapper.
One,
we
two,
have
1, 2. Then
also LaMarco.
LaMarco, amazing voice. What's
Yeah.
that song that he sings with his mom at the end?
Healing.
Healing. Come,
That
LaMarco, y'all need to do not miss that one. That is episode 2.
yes.
Oh my gosh! And then
We also have your favorite.
David Sosa. I love
We
singing
remember
that
David
guy.
Sosa with his hits. We had David Sosa who appeared on season 2 on episode 5. We can't forget also Coney Brooks.
Coney Brooks.
And you worked with him.
Yes, I have. I worked with Coney Brooks on my song Hella Bent. Oh my gosh, he's so dope. And he also has a new book out. So make sure you guys follow these artists. We also have Sheik Hester.
Your
You know,
self-care
my self-care
Saturday.
Saturdays.
Self-Care Saturdays. That's, you know, that's
That's
your
my
song.
wine. That's my everything. Wine.
Exactly. And you've been a host now since season 2.
Yeah, so
And
it's almost a year.
It's been almost, it's about a year now.
Yes.
You also appeared on the first season of Live from Next Sound Studio.
Yes.
You was on episode 5 alongside Shaq Hester and Sadir.
Yes.
And
dope artists.
you sung the songs Broken.
Yes, I saw Broken is like, we got a special treat for y'all. Broken,
We sure do,
Broken.
but
Oh my
stay
gosh.
tuned real quick.
Yes, stay tuned. But my hosting experience has been amazing thus far. Like, Next Sound Studio has, like, I've been a baby and you guys are like birthing me. Like, it's awesome. I love the ride. I thank you guys from, I don't even know how to thank you guys. Like, I just, you know, all I do is prayer. You know, like,
Yeah.
I bless them, Lord.
Yeah.
But the experience is something I always said that I would like to do it, but not something that I would like do long term. But now that I've worked with you guys, like I don't mind doing it. It's so amazing.
Yes, we here for indie artists. This is how it all started. You know, let's talk about what's gonna happen tonight, right after the show.
Oh my gosh! So,
Are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready. So this is a B-roll Next Sound Studio production. Next Sound Studio is giving you guys a special treat with my official music video, Broken. Are you guys ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
It's tonight.
It's tonight.
It's tonight after
Exactly.
season 3 premiere.
After the
with
premiere of
TSoul.
season 3 tonight, we will see and bear witness to Broken, the official music video for Nequasia.
Yes, and we want y'all to comment in the links below. Comment. Comment on YouTube, subscribe, give us some feedback. We love the feedback. We love to hear
Yes.
you guys. Like, let's hear it.
Let's make it happen.
So, my video Broken was directed by Wilby Walker of B-Roll Visuals Incorporated.
Yes, this is the same director who directs and writes this show, live from Next Sound Studio. Will is amazing. His creativity is beyond the expected.
Yes,
But
it
Will's
is.
getting ready tonight.
He's
right?
getting ready tonight,
He's
and
gonna-
he's going to sit down with our
Yeah.
featured artist, which is, we already told you guys, TSoul.
TSoul. He's going to discuss the story behind his lyrics and the behind the scenes talk about his time with NBC's The Voice.
Because he has a beautiful voice. Oh my gosh.
You can check it out. Go on YouTube, type in TSoul The Voice. Awesome, talented performer, talented singer. But don't forget also to subscribe to our YouTube channel on Next Sound Studio NYC so that you don't miss out on any performances. We have a lot of exclusive performances on there from the artists that has appeared on our show. We also look back into the first 2 seasons.
Yes.
And
the first 2 seasons, and there's so much more.
Yes.
So, we are about to go live at 8 p.m. Please be sure that you like, share, and comment. And you let us know what you love about our show.
Yes, we want to know. We
Yes.
really want to know. What could we do to entertain you? Because that's what we're all about. So let us know.
And if you are an indie music artist yourself, or know anyone who is talented, tag us at Next Sound Studio. Why?
Let us know why. Here's how to get on our show, live from Next Sound Studio. submit your music links to Next Sound Studio NYC@gmail.com, or you can DM us on Instagram, Next Sound Studio.
And make sure you have clean versions to your
Gotta be
songs
clean.
that you are going to perform, as well as your instrumentals. And give us excitement. Show us who you are.
Yes, we don't know who you are. You have to let us know who you are. And then let us do our work. We'll start looking at your music. We look at everyone's music.
And besides clean versions, we have to also make sure that you own the rights to your music and your instrumentals.
Yes, that's very important because we are on the UBC TV network, on the Glue TV app. So we have to make sure that you have those documents ready.
And we're trying to put you on the map.
Yes.
Who wants to be on the map?
The
and
exposure.
They took somebody else's song.
Exactly.
Like, Jesus! No. So we don't want you to take anybody else's song. This is you. We want to see you. We want to know your lyrics behind what you're saying, how you feel. And we know that when you wrote, there was a meaning behind your song. So this is very important to us. We love that artist that has featured on here already.
Yes.
And then the new ones that come in, we're ready for you.
Exactly. We want to work with you. So let's make it happen by submitting your music to either the email, nextsoundstudio.nyc@gmail.com, or you can DM us on Instagram at nextsoundstudio.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are all set to begin.
We set to begin. Yes. Will Walker is ready with TSoul with his interview, and we are ready to see TSoul perform with us.
Be sure to hit that subscribe button.
Yes.
So you don't miss anything. You don't miss out on exclusive content.
Yes.
Let's take it to the studio. I need to get on set myself.
Yes, you got to get on set because we're about to start.
Because I'm your hostess with the mostest.
Yes.
I got to get my makeup, my hair done.
Yes, get it ready. We actually have like maybe less than 5 minutes to get it
Okay,
done.
I got to go.
You got to go? Like, let's go. You guys, we getting ready to go live on YouTube. 8 o'clock. Stay tuned. Live from Next Sound Studio Season 3, featuring performing artist TSoul from NBC's The Voice. Get ready, and we'll see you in a bit.
Oh yeah. This is something you never felt before. Oh, that Saturday vibe. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to welcome y'all to Next Sound Live. The hottest in the streets, the best on the beats. You know. Oh, you know. Billy.
If you came to party, if you came to party, if you came to get down tonight, going live tonight, live from the Next Sound Studio. Trying to party and celebrate life. Tune in the Next Sound Studio tonight. It's live at 8 with the hottest in the state. So tell a friend you wanna take them out of space so they can unplug to a new level. With different artists who take it to a new level. And you never know what you're gonna get. You might get rock or you might get rap. You might get R&B with the boom bap. You might get a band or you might wanna dance bachata. I just know every week's gonna be a shocker. And it's a party for the world, for little boys, little girls, for everybody. If you came to party, if you came to party, if you came to get down tonight, going live tonight, live from the Next Sound Studio. If you came to party, if you came to party, if you came to get down tonight, we going live tonight, live from the Next Sound Studio. Trying to party and celebrate life. Tune in the Next Sound Studio tonight. It's live at 8 with the hottest in the state. So tell a friend you wanna take them out of space so they can unplug to a new level with different artists who take it to a new level. And you never know what you gon' get. And you never know what you gon' get. You might get rock or you might get rap. You might
everyone,
get R&B
and welcome back to Live from Next Sound Studio, where we are connecting independent music artists with their fans through their lyrics. If you don't already know, I am your host, Nequasia, and I look forward to navigating your night. And we are so happy to be back with a new season of talented artists. And even more pleased to be bringing the first of them to the stage. Hailing from Richmond, Virginia, R&B soul singer, songwriter TSoul learned to play piano from his grandmother and started singing shortly thereafter. He continued to sing throughout his junior and high school years. And during college, he joined the choir, and while touring Europe, he had the opportunity to perform for the Pope at the Vatican. Additionally, he later rose to fame as a contestant on NBC's The Voice, making it all the way to the top 12 with Blake Shelton as his coach. TSoul currently has several successful albums: Love and Music Unplugged, Happy Holidays, and Purge My Soul. We are happy to have him start the season off with songs from his latest project, as well as some of our favorites from his previous albums. Let's first take it to our director to find out a little bit about him and the lyrics behind his song, Best of Me.
Welcome. Here I am, Will B. Walker. I'm sitting with TSoul. He's the man of the hour. Know you all may have seen him before, and as I have on the show The Voice. So let's just talk about your experience. You gained a big fan base from that show. So let's talk a little about what you may have gained from that show and your experience there, and then we'll move further.
For me, just the experience of it all was the biggest thing that I gained. I learned a lot, not only just from going through, the process of being on a TV show and, in a singing competition, but like when we started going live, it was week to week doing, live full like Grammy type productions. And I learned a lot about myself in those times, but I had, the guidance of my coach, Blake Shelton. I was guided by Shania Twain at one point. I think Luke Bryan even was our knockout battle advisor, rather. And then to cap it off in the finale, I got to sing with Gladys Knight. And, as long as I live, that's the highlight of my life is singing in the finale with Gladys Knight. And I'll probably do a whole lot more, before I leave here. But one thing I'm always going to remember is that day because, I got to walk around with her. My grandma's name, who I didn't really get to meet because she passed away when I was younger, was Gladys. So to me, Gladys Knight is my grandma in my head. And so I got to meet her and walk around with her. And, it was just, I meet TSoulers every day that tell me, how that experience is how they, got their eyes on me at first from all over the world. But for the most part, the exposure that show gave me allowed me to, just have the confidence to just keep going forever with this thing.
Get into a few songs that you performed live Next Sound Studio.
And Best of Me, I don't know, that song is a song for me that it really changed my life. It's the one that, it's charting overseas in countries in Africa. It's going viral on apps. Like it was viral on Vine when Vine existed. Now it's viral on TikTok. So it's something that, it's a classic song that I feel like this stands the test of times. And it's the one that at the end of every show, people want to hear if they haven't already heard it. They know the words when it comes on. And to me personally, the story behind that song, like how it was created, was an idea that when I was in college, I went to Virginia State University. Shout out to VSU. And I was in the music. I would always be in the music hall playing the piano. So that's why I wrote and came up with a lot of these songs. But one day, it was my homie Jamel. He was like, I got this idea, and this idea was the first verse of that song was trying to let you know just how I really feel about you. Since I met you, I don't think I want to live without you. And like the way he kind of sang that, I was like, that's dope. Let me play some chords. So I sat down, played some chords, and when I started coming to New York working on songs for the Love and Music album. That was one of the first things that I was like, I got this idea. Let's see what we can do. And I wrote the second verse, and it was literally just first verse, the hook, and the second verse. And I went out and I would sing it at like open mics. And coming from, I can't remember which one it was exactly, but I was somewhere singing. And that whole ending, like the bridge on, happened live one time. And it happened to be recorded. When I heard it back, I'm like, that sounds like the whole song. So I went back and recorded the whole song like that. Fast forward to after I released the song, I was able to shoot the music video for that song during a homecoming at Virginia State University. Same place I wrote it. And so like in there, for me personally, I know like the last shot is literally the music hall, Davis Hall, and my freshman year dorm where I was living at that time. And so like for me, that's like a full circle moment to kind of have that. Yeah, like I wrote it there. And I was, singing it there, and then to kind of have this music video now that has, millions and millions of views.
Well, here he is performing live, Next Sound Studio. Check him out.
Trying to let you know just how I really feel about you. Since I met you, I don't think I wanna live without you. You keep me laughing, baby girl, it's just something about you. Makes me feel like you are special. And every time I see your face, I crack a smile. You warm me up inside, and baby, I'm so happy now. Whenever you call, I blush just like a little child. And could it be that I am falling for you? Passion and romance, the chemistry when we hold hands. Your L.O.V.'s gotten the best of me. And oh, I love it, I love it, I love it, girl. I love it, I love it, I love it, girl. I love it, I love it, I love it, girl. I'm trying to tell you all the feelings that I have for you. Can't keep them bottled up no more, 'cause you're so beautiful. My heart's a canvas and you are like the artist, girl. Together we make the perfect pic. Said all you got to do is take the time and take a chance. Promise I'll treat you better than another man. So when you're ready, let me know, 'cause I'll be waiting, babe. Feel we could have something so special. Ooh, ooh, oh, passion and romance, that chemistry when we hold hands. Your L.O.V.'s gotten the best of me. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it, girl. I love it, I love it, I love it, girl. I love it, I love it, I love it, girl. You really got the best of me, and I love it, I love it, I love it, girl. I love it, I love it, I love it, girl. I love it, girl. Said I love it, girl. Oh, yeah. See, you really got the best of me, and I can't do nothing about it. Girl, I love you, got the best of me. Oh, said you really got the best of me, and I said I love it, girl. Said I love it, said I love it. I said I love it, girl. Said I love it, I love it, I love it, girl. I love it, I love it, I love it, girl. I love it, I love it, I love it, girl. I love it, I love it, I love it, girl, girl.
Yes, that was TSoul with Best of Me, honey. I love it, I love it, I love it, girl. He could sing to me, honey. I just need a husband just to sing. That's my singing husband. Nobody can take him. So now, we hope you enjoyed that live performance. And if you are an indie artist yourself and want to be a part of this awesome platform, please submit your music links to Next Sound Studio NYC@gmail.com or DM Next Sound Studio on Instagram. Now, let's take it back to Will and TSoul as they discuss his next song, Unlock Your Heart, right here live from Next Sound Studio.
So another track that you performed live in Next Sound Studio was Unlock Your Heart. So let's talk about the background behind that story a little bit and what it's like to perform that song.
To me, so Unlock Your Heart, to me, when I wrote it, it was like my version of a classic R&B song. Like, and there's songs where it's like the artist is telling a story. Like, as the song is going on, it's a story. So I kind of approached it with that approach, and I mean, it's a situation that I feel like everybody has, dealt with somebody or been in the point of who I'm talking to in that song, where, especially in today's society where everybody's so guarded and locked up, they don't want to let nobody in, but like unlocking your heart is something that, everybody has to do something to fall in love or let themselves be loved.
Well, here he is performing Unlock Your Heart live Next Sound Studio. Check him out.
She'd never love another because all men were the same as the last one who broke her heart. Wouldn't believe me when I told her, no. I could bring change to a pattern of broken love. Yeah. Said all I can do is be a better man, better than he was to you. Yeah. Said you gotta unlock your heart. Just open it up to me and let me be there. Unlock your heart. It takes a chance to make a change, you'll see. Yeah. It ain't no mystery. The source of your misery is you wanna love it. He took the best of you, well, I'll take the rest of you and restore it back again. If you unlock your heart, now you got me wondering, baby, just what would it take for you to open up and let me in? Just let me in. See, girl, I know you're probably thinking, I am the same has all those other me. Ooh, but I'll never do you wrong, do you wrong. I promise to love you, love you, love you, girl. Treat you like the queen you are. Oh, no, no, oh, no, no. I said that I love you, oh girl, and treat you like the queen you are. But first you gotta unlock your heart. Just open up your heart to me and let me be there. Unlock your heart. All it takes is a chance, and you'll see. It ain't no mystery. The source of your misery is your own love it. He took the best of you, well I'll take the rest of you and restore it back again. If you unlock your heart, your heart, your heart, open it up to me, babe. I promise you will see that when we get together, you become the sun and I become the earth. Then girl, you make my world go round. Girl, you make my world go round. 'Cause you came and turned my world around. And girl, you make my world go round. So unlock your heart. Just unlock your heart.
You've enjoyed all of tonight's performances so far. Please be sure to check out UBC TV Network on the lifestyle category on the Glue TV app for more exclusive content. Also, be sure to check out all of TSoul's music available on all music streaming platforms. Now, let's take it back to Will and TSoul as they discuss his closing track, Speechless. Thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to tell somebody else to meet us back here next week, where we will have another awesome performer giving it up right here live.
Something a little bit more current for you is Speechless. So let's talk about this new wave, this new era that we're heading into with TSoul and where we're going.
Speechless to me was it was like a new breath of fresh air for. It was the first song I released after doing The Voice, and it came from a group of sessions that I went over to Stockholm, Sweden, and did. I think to me it was a no-brainer that it should be the first single for my new project, and I was able to shoot a video in DC to it, and the only thing I wasn't able to do was perform it all over the world like I wanted to because it came out in 2020. But this performance here was special to me because it was one of the first times I was able to record a performance of it that I know will be out there, forever for this song. So I hope it, pleases all the T-Souls out there.
Here he is performing Speechless, and you heard it, a very own exclusive, one of the first times he ever performed it, so I hope you all enjoy it. Here he is, check him out.
Never been lost for words, but I've lost the words to say. Crazy how this thing called love can take them all away. We've got a good love, and we make good love. Ooh, I never felt the love so hard to describe. It If I tried to, I couldn't tell it all. I don't know why I get speechless. I can't find the words now. I never ever felt this good song. Said I can't find the words now. Speechless. Never ever felt this good. I tried to say what's on my mind, but I can't articulate. Can't manage my thoughts at all. Words don't come my way, 'cause I never felt the love so hard to describe. If I tried, I don't know why. I can't find the words. I'm speechless. I never ever felt this good, no. No, I can't find the words. I never ever felt this good. Never felt this good, oh no, no. Never felt in love like this before. Never felt this good, oh no. I'm speechless. I can't find the words. Oh, a love like this before, no. Never, never. I can't find the words. I'm speechless. I never ever felt this good. I can't find it. I never felt this good.
If you came to party, if you came to party, if you came to get down.
Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Oh, tryna add a cup. Stop all that talking about on your palate, 'cause nigga, we know you ain't got it. The way that you stuntin' my, I pops in and pop out to your party, bitch. My
If you came to party, if you came to party, if you came to get down tonight, get down tonight, going live.
Never been lost for words, but I've lost the words to say. Crazy how this thing called love can take them all away. We've got a good love, and we make good loves. Ooh, never felt the love so hard to describe. If I tried to, I couldn't tell it all. I don't know why I get